Hello, everyone. I'm Linda Peters, MBA's Vice President of Exhibits, and we're glad that you'll be joining us for VBACE. Through our webinar training series, we are excited to share with you some of the useful tools exhibitors can use to communicate with attendees. The final booth feature we will be demonstrating is the Forums tool, which is available to all exhibitors. Forums are similar to an online discussion board that you'll often see used by enthusiasts in type clubs to facilitate topic-specific discussions between members. Over the next few minutes, we'll demonstrate how to set up a forum discussion within your booth for customer engagement and how this may be useful to your staff and attendees who come to your booth. Keep in mind that forums are optional in your booth, and before you decide whether you wish to include them in your booth, your team may want to discuss their use and the potential benefits or pitfalls. Forums can be viewed by all attendees, which means you'll want to monitor them regularly. They are also a wonderful lead generation tool if used to their maximum capabilities. For demonstration, MBAA has set up a few test subjects in our forums that would be typical topics within the MBA membership. We've added forum discussions about airport access, NBA member benefits, and safety. You may want to consider setting up your forums to discuss your company's product lines, a service that is popular with your customers, or maybe a product associated with a particular model of aircraft. Within each forum discussion will be the subtopics. You'll see in this example that MBAA has been working on airport access issues for Santa Monica and East Hampton, New York. If I click on the Santa Monica thread, you will see there is a short discussion going on about the runway shortening project. By clicking the reply button, an attendee can add to this discussion about the runway. Now shifting gears, maybe an attendee wants to start a new thread. For example, ramp fees. The attendee would simply click the post message button in the upper right, which would add this new thread. Even though these discussions are public, the exhibit booth administrators do have admin rights and can delete any message they may judge to be inappropriate. Here we will demonstrate how to delete a message. We've just demonstrated how a discussion would appear in the forum. Now we'll show you how you can set up a topic within your forum. Going back to the forum's home, you will see Add New in the upper right hand corner. Here you can add the new forum's topic, and we'll use government affairs as an example. Then I'll add a brief description. Then we'll hit save, and you'll see the new topic on the list. You will also see that the topics are in alphabetical order, so you may want to think about how you name your forum topics. We've now demonstrated the functionality of the Forums feature. If your company does not want to use the Forums option, be sure to let Simulosity know you want it turned off. Thanks again, and if you have any questions or would prefer a one-on-one demonstration, please reach out to the exhibits team at exhibits@mbaa.org. Thank you.